Okay, this is homework for Thursday, March 10th. You're doing number 55 on page 54. And it's talking about how you can write slopes in different ways. So you can write it as a fraction, 6 over 10, or as a decimal, because 6 divided by 10 is 0.6 or 0.60, or as a percent, that it's 60%. So then it gives you a bunch of different slopes. I wrote 200 up here since I cut it off. And is asking us questions. Which numbers represent the same slope? So in order to figure that out, I need to have my numbers all in the same representation. Right now I've got some percentages, I have fractions, and a whole number, and I want them all to be whole numbers would be the easiest. So -4 over -2 as a whole number, well, if I actually do that division problem, -4 divided by -2 is 2. 60% is the same as 0.60. 4 over 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1.5, that is a whole number. 150 is the same as saying 150 over 100, which is equal to 1.5, because 100 goes into 150 1.5 times. And then 200 is the same as saying 200 over 100, which is the same as 2. Because 200% means that 2 is double, the numerator is double the denominator, but when you actually do the division, it's 2. So which numbers represent the same slope? I have this one that is 2 and this one's 2, so those are the same. And then I have a 1.5 here and 1.5 here. So in my answer, I want to write the numbers given to me. So I'm going to write -4 over -2 and 200%. And then I'm going to say 1.5 and 150%. Okay, which number represents the greatest slope? So which one's the biggest and steepest? So yes, we want to say our biggest number is 2, because that's greater than 1.5, 1, and 0.60. But thinking about what that means for the line. So right now the line they're showing you has a slope of 0.60 or up 6 over 10. And our slope of 2 means we're going to go up 2 over 1. So if I were to put that on the graph, it would look like this. Up 2 over 1. So see how much steeper that is? Like that's a hill you would not want to climb. And if I had the slope of 1, that means going up 1 over 1. So it would look something like this. It's a little less steep. So the greater the slope, the steeper it is. So the number that represents the greatest slope is -4 over 2 and 200%. And then which number represents the least slope? Our smallest slope is our 0.60, which is 6 over 10 or 60%. Okay, that's the homework for today. I hope you guys did well on your vocab test. Give me a little face to show me how you think you did. This is did good, did okay, or did horribly. And I will see you tomorrow.